Hello again. Today we're going to have a look at the Insta360 Go. Now this came out a couple of months ago, but it's been so difficult to find. I've only just been able to get one. And as you can see here, it says the 20 gram Steadicam. Now this has got flow state stabilization, auto editing, hyperlapse, water resistant, hands-free, mount anywhere. And it does come with a few mounts in the box. So let's open this up. And by the way, I got this from Tokyo Camera in Hanoi. They were good enough to deliver it to me free of charge. Of course, I had to pay for the camera. Right, let's open this up and I'll show you what you get inside the box. And at the end of the video, I'll show you a couple of images that I've taken with the camera. And then in the next video, I'll show you some video because it's dark outside now. Right, so let's open this up. Okay, there we go. Right, there's a little tag on there as well. I'll cut through that. Right, so inside here, it's got a few instructions about powering it on and off and what to do when you want to take a photo, a video, hyperlapse or slow motion. So for the video and slow motion, I'll do those in the next video in a few days' time when I've got some better weather. Right, so opening the package here. Right, we've got some stickers in the bottom here and a card. Let's tip those out. Okay, so we've got some nice stickers, Insta360 in yellow and in white. They don't say Insta360 Go though, never mind. Right, and it's just a piece of card I think from the box, nothing else in there. Right, so these are the accessories. Let's have a look, see what we've got. Right, so silica gel, don't eat that. And then we've got lots and lots of little packets. I'll take all of these out and show you what's in each one of these. Right, so we've got warranty, comes with a 12-month warranty, and then we've got the quick start guide in lots of different languages, which is about a centimetre thick. Right, so this is the first card. Right, this is to tell you about water resistance. Don't forget you can pause the video if you need to read it all. So it's telling you it's got 10-second water resistance and it's waterproof from a coating that's on the inside. So if water gets inside, don't panic, but don't leave it under the water for too long. Right, reapply this cover after use. So this has got a sticky gel underneath it, like the old sticky octopuses that you used to throw at the door and it would slowly roll down. And so you can stick this at things and then take it off. If it gets dirty, give it a wash and then put this metal plate back on. Now this is the stand, and this has a ball joint in the bottom so you can tilt it and adjust it in different angles. It's got a 1/4-20 thread on the bottom, which is very useful. So you can attach it to selfie sticks and all sorts of things. And I believe it's also got a base that this screws onto as well. It's this one again. This one's a magnet. Right, so we've got a short USB-C to micro USB cable, and it's about 10 centimeters long, and that's so that you can put it onto your Samsung phone or Android device. Very useful cable though. I'm going to be keeping that one. And this one's a USB-A to micro USB again. Right, we've got a disc here. What's in this one? Right, this is the base to the stand. So you can use this, got a 1/4-20 screw thread. And again, keep the silver foil to stick back on when you're not using it. And that will screw onto the stand part. By the looks of it, it's got a plastic thread, so don't over tighten it, otherwise it might snap off. And then it will get stuck in your stand and then you won't be able to use it on other things. Right, what's next? We've got another disc here. Right, okay, this is the necklace mount. So you can wear this underneath your t-shirt or on top of your shirt and adhere the camera directly to it by magnets. So it's useful. You can put it underneath your shirt and it makes it less obvious to show people that you're using a camera. And last off, we've got clip mount. So this is the one they're using on the baseball caps, and it's got a rubber wedge on the back so you can adjust the angle up or down. Right, so that's all of the accessories that you get in the packet. That one looks quite useful. This is the Insta 360 Go itself. So it's about the same size as the new AirPods Pro. You've got a micro USB input for power, and then you've got the lightning cable on the bottom, the lightning port on the bottom for your iPhone, and it's got a nice tight fitting plastic cover on there, and the magnet is very strong and it's already in a piece of plastic, so let's take that out. So it doesn't look like it's charged up because the plastic was stopping the charging ports. Very, very small device. It's about the size of one of my fingers. Looks really nice. The lens is protected slightly by a aluminium ring by the looks of things. You've got a power button on the back. The light has lit up orange on the back and red on the top, and that's to show that the battery in the unit hasn't got much charge left, and then the battery is charging the camera. Right, so this is what you get inside the box, and then I'll leave you with a couple of images. I hope you've liked the video. Give me a few days to make a few videos of it, and I'll upload those later on. Have a good day. See you next time. Bye bye.